Microsoft Word Chapter 7, Projects 1A and 1B. Project 1A, Creating a Table. At a blank document screen, turn on the bold formatting and then type the title, Contact Information. Okay, I always do my typing first. You can do it whichever way you want. And then you press your Enter key, and then I always come back up and bold it this way just because I know I'll forget to turn the bold off. All right, step number 3. Create the table shown in Figure 7.2 by completing the following steps. A, click the Insert tab. All right, so we're going to go Insert. And then in our Tables group, right here, see where it says Tables? Click the Tables button. It's going to be this palette that drops down. So you're going to move your mouse pointer down. See where it says Insert Table? And see how, do you see it saying like how many columns and rows? And if you look at your screen over here, you can see the actual table on your screen on the actual document. All right, so we want a 3 by 5 table, right? 3 by 5 table. When you have it saying 3 by 5 right there, go ahead and just click with your left mouse button, and there it is. Okay, if you missed, you can click right here, and you can delete that table, and you can try it again. Step number 4, type the text in the cells indicated in Figure 7.2, press the Tab key to move to the next cell, and press Shift Tab to move to the preceding cell. You can also use your mouse. If you accidentally press the Enter key within a cell, just backspace. Okay? Do not press the Tab key after typing the text in the last cell. If you do, another row is inserted in the table. If this happens, just immediately click Undo. All right, so you're just going to go and you're going to type. I like to have my Show Hide turned on when I'm working in a table. These are your end of row markers, and it just allows me to see exactly what's going on. So you're going to type this information. And I'm just pressing my Tab key to advance to the next cell. And again, you can always use your mouse. And I'm going to show you what happens if you press your Enter key. Okay, that's what happens if you press your Enter key. Just backspace, and that takes care of it. Okay, now you can press your Tab key again. It takes you down to that next row. And go ahead, and I'm going to stop, and I'm going to type mine. You pause the video, and you get all of yours typed in. Okay, so once you have it all typed in, you need to go back, of course, and check for any typographical errors. And when you get down here to the end, if you accidentally press your Tab key and insert a new row, which, by the way, you just learned how to insert a new row at the bottom of a table if you need to expand it, right? Go to that last cell and press Tab. But if you did that and it was an error, you just reach up here and hit Undo, and you'll be fine. All right, you need to save this table and name it 7-Tables. And then we're going to move on to Project 1B. Creating a table with the Insert Table dialog box. All right, in our 7-Tables document, which is where we are right here, Control-End, please. Move that insertion point below the table. Press your Enter key 2 times, just opening up some white space for us. Step number 3, we're going to type in all caps, Optional Plan Premium Rates. Okay, press your Enter key, and we're going to pop back up and make that bold. Okay, got that. Now, step number 5, click the Insert tab, and then click the Table button in the Tables group. All right, so we did that once before. You know where that is. Great. And we're going to come right down here to where it says Insert Table. And that's going to open our Insert Tables dialog box. I actually prefer to use this Insert Tables dialog box because for me it's more accurate, but you can certainly do it the way we did it in Project 1A. Okay, we're doing the same thing. We're inserting a table, but this time we're going to tell it how many columns and rows we want. Okay, so we want 3 columns. You can either type it in or you can use your spinner box. And then the number of rows, and you can tab or click with your mouse, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that the number is selected, and we want 5 rows. Okay, so I have 3 columns, I have 5 rows, And I'm going to hit OK. And here it comes. Step number 9, type the text in the cells as indicated in figure 7.4, pressing the tab key to move, you know that. All right, so let's flip the page and look at this. Now, I want you to look under Basic Plan Employees and Plan 2018 Employees, and you're going to see that that information is indented. So, in the first column, the waiting period, nothing is indented. In this column over here, okay, after you type in Basic Plan Employees, so from here, right here down, you have to indent. Now, you know tab takes you to the next cell, so you can't use tab. So real quickly, just pause the video and go type all that in, and then I'll show you how to do it. All right, so once you have it all typed in, we're going to click right here under Basic Employees at the 0.67%. You're going to hold down your Control key, and you're going to press your tab key one time. Okay, and you're going to do that in every single one of these cells. Or you might remember F4 is the repeat command. So once you've done this once, all you have to do is click in the next cell, stop that right there, and then press stop here. F4, I know it's so persnickety, right? F4 and F4. Okay? Now, remember, to tab inside of a table, it is Control Tab. Okay, Control Tab. And you always have undo if you mess it up. So go back, check all of your typing, make sure you don't have any typos, check your numbers, and then save this, and you're ready to move on to the next video.